Hi Pisces, this is your love reading for this season. I'm going to look at your finer feelings, what you are feeling regarding the person on your mind. This person could be your long-time partner, this person can be a new partner, this person can be some person of interest, could be a lover. So let's look at your energies regarding love and what this person who is on your mind, what is this person thinking. So I have divinated for the person on your mind as well, and I have their cards and what they are feeling and what will be their intention. So let's look at the situation right now in terms of love or finer feelings in your life, romantic feelings. So in your environment, however, is a practical energy of Nine of Pentacles. This means that both of you could be connected to your stability or your stability. You are looking at material gain, you are looking at position, success, life, purpose, and also you are feeling good about yourself because you are doing well in life. So there is this energy of self-reliance and singularity in this time period. So this person is not impacting you in much in terms of your practical living situation, but this person could be on your mind with though you are in a phase of success. So what's happening with this person or with your general feelings in life regarding love or romanticism? You could be a single person as well. So there is this energy of Four of Cups. So Four of Cups means that you are not entirely happy at this time regarding your love situation, because what I am seeing in your feelings about your particular feelings is that you are somehow blending your pleasure, and there is a loss of pleasure, there is sorrow with the Five of Cups. You are going through some kind of situation where you are remembering the past, you are remembering how you may have missed some chances with this person, or the chances that you got maybe you did not utilize it. So you could be thinking of that, and right now you don't have them around you, or you don't have, even if you have the person, you may have lost interest, or something has happened in your love life which has created tension between you and them. There is this Eight of Swords. You could be trapped in other trappings of life, you could be trapped in a family and you have not been able to find your love. You could be in a long-term situation of a certain thing where you could not find love. So lot of short and force in love. Maybe you loved someone and you could not get them. Maybe you loved someone, they went away. Maybe the love that you had in the past is not there anymore in this relationship which you actually married this person for love. But all this has ended or is impeded in this time period. Your success in love is unfulfilled at this time. You feel like that, but angels are saying this situation can change if you take action. So there is a King of Wands energy. This could be fire inside of you. You can make a goal, or you can make a person, you can go towards a person with an open mind, and you can find love and passion, but with the Hangman there is a delay in finding this. There is this Hangman is your energy, Pisces. So you could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy at this time, and the Hangman here is trying to reflect on their helplessness, or trying to end a situation, or are waiting for a situation to happen in future. So basically what your partner is also doing in this time period, or the person on your mind, if they are serious about you or if they have interest in you, this person is thinking about this situation with you as a wheel of fortune. So this means that in this cycle of love there is ebb and flow. There is a possibility that sometimes this this cyclical love situation ends for some time and then restarts again. So there is this energy of thinking about this love as a chance, as a lucky chance they have got, or a situation which has gone out of their hand as well. And something was destined, it happened in a short time, or it will happen in the future, but right now they are also thinking about this as a destined thing which is not permanent. So with the universe and the sun card, they are thinking of finding this love ultimately with the world card and the sun card. They are very clear about their intentions, because their intention is three of wands. They are looking forward to meet you, find you, come towards you, but they are in a distance. They could be traveling, or they are in a distance. They could be of the sign of fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So there is a possibility that they are waiting hopefully for a situation to complete and then come towards you. It's highly probable. What is happening between you both is that they will take action. They take action, they give you love, they give you messages, because there is this page of cups energy. So the page of cups energy has love, youthfulness, some kind of happiness they bring in your life. Sometimes they connect with you, or they come and meet you, but this is not some big love. This is, opportunities. When the opportunity comes, they come with love, they come with this small cup of love towards you. So it's not negative, it's positive. They are in a cycle. They could be traveling, they could be posted somewhere else, they could be away from you, there could be a distance, but they are waiting for a situation to happen in this time period or in the future to come towards you. So you feel like as if you have sacrificed, or your love will never come in your hand, or you may remain unmarried or unfulfilled always. But angels are saying that you need to think, because your outcome is with some other deck, and what I got was the lovers. So the lovers tells us that there are two paths ahead. Be true to yourself. So whatever is true for you and your love, you take that chance, you go towards it. So the path will come to you, or the path is in front of you, you have to choose. So unity will happen in future, a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope is coming towards you. You radiate and attract great love. So there is high probability that this unity will take place. You will be able to attract love, but what blocks you in this time period is some kind of confusion. You don't know what you want, so you need clarity before you get involved. This could be for people who are not yet connected. Some of you are feeling incomplete. You want someone who completes you, but you need to be whole, first of all, whole on your own. So there is this energy of feeling unfulfilled. You could be also feeling that you are not getting much, because the only action they take towards you is page of cups. So you feel that you deserve more than the crumbs of affection that you get. Wait for the one who adores you. They are saying there could be a person who adores you, or this person really adores you, but because of their distance they could be giving you less love, or they are not being able to show you love. So eagle card has also come for you. It's telling you you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength in the near future. So greater clarity, strength, lovers and unity is coming for you right now. You feel that you are unfulfilled in love. You also feel that there were some good times, but now nothing is happening. However, one thing is there, that your person is actually interested in you, and this person could be looking forward to meet with you, but they are in a great distance from you, or they are away from you, or they something could be blocking them. So I can see some blocking cards for them. Let me see what is blocking them. They could be they are not taking care of the relationship because they could be looking after bigger responsibilities in life, so they are self neglecting at this time. So they could be also stuck in the past. Something is keeping them in a situation they cannot get out of an ex completely, or they do not welcome new love into their life. They could be impeded by that, or there is someone out there, they are also having a kind of false belief, and they miss out on opportunities of commitment or love. There is also some retreating happening from that side. Their fear of being hurt has made you made okay, so they fear that they have gotten hurt in the past through you, so they have retreated. It's time to try. Even for them, it's time to try. So both of you should try much more than what you are doing in this period. So this is what I am seeing, Pisces, in terms of your love. If this is resonating with you, please hype the reading and like and subscribe, and share it with others. If you have other problems, more problems, serious problems, you can contact me for a personal reading. Such readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so I can see your situation more clearly one-on-one. These one-on-one readings can take place, but they are paid readings, so you can contact me through the email ID. Keep watching my channel Tarot Priestess 1313 for more readings which I keep posting for you. Bye bye.